Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you just use Instagram and your messages not showing up, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. So after, you can also just try to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to check your internet connection. So if you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And the latest option you can try, just try to update your Instagram. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.